Okay, and today, I'm going to be making butter slime. Wait, I forgot something. I'm going to be making butter slime, but I forgot something. So, yeah. So, I'm making butter slime. So, yeah. Alright. What you will need is clear glue works best for butter slime, but I recommend you using this. But you can use white glue, whatever you want. This works better, but whatever. So, clear glue, baking soda, contact solution,
I don't understand why the boys don't want to go.
a bowl,
Ask them.
Boys, why don't you want to go?
and a spoon.
Especially gets
And of course, Daiso clay, or you could use Model Magic.
Okay.
But I'm using Daiso.
I'm just asking her every time, but it's okay. I love you.
Alright,
and it's from
so what you will need to do first is pour in your clear or white glue. This is actually harder than I thought.
Oh,
I might use two. I'm not sure yet.
I just need to review stuff. We just need to study for the test.
Alrighty.
And then
Good.
we have to
Okay. Second empty you continue. Okay, and then you just recycle it. Or yeah. Okay. Recycle the cap. I mean the bottle. Okay. Next, you are going to need to add your baking soda. So, and you need a teaspoon. Wait, no, a tablespoon and a teaspoon. I always get mixed up with those, but whatever, yeah. So, just add it. I actually just, I don't know. And then, stir it. Okay. That's what it looks like. There's a clump of baking soda. Don't know how to get it out. Okay. And also, I totally forgot, if your slime is not stretchy, use lotion.
Kate, do you need help mixing it?
No, this fell in. Okay, I need another spoon, I guess.
I'll get it.
Okay, thank you. Alright, yeah, this fell in.
I'll help you stir.
No.
Fine.
Alright, so now my hands are like all messy, but whatever. Okay, then you need your contact solution. Just add some. And if you forgot, guys, why you need the Daiso clay, because we are making butter slime. Sorry if I'm not talking loud enough. I probably am, but just, yeah. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. So now my hands are like all gross. They weren't, but... Still stirring. Okay, this is still sticky, but it's better. Oh my. Okay, I'm just gonna take this out. I'm just adding a lot of contact solution because I know that I'll need it. So now I'm just.
Right there.
Choom, ba-choom. I kind of forgot that I was filming.
Trying to figure this one out, I would make the
I'm just.
denominator
Oh
14.
gosh. This is getting all over
We
me.
do both of them times 2.
So this is greater than that.
Sorry guys,
So
my
just
brother
make
is
the
doing
fractions
some
of
work.
one.
I probably should have taken
I know how
my
to do that.
band-aid off. But whatever.
Because they both have common denominator.
Just adding a whole
So they're
bunch
just telling you
because
how
I
to
know
get
I don't
to
need it, as I said. I'm only playing with a little
So,
because I don't
so they
actually
want
know
you
why.
to put all of these on there.
Oh, what?
Write the fractions on the
Oh.
number line.
So what's like the denominator?
Sorry I keep saying because it's like weird.
1 and 1/2.
Alright guys, so
1 and 1/2 is
1 is there. 1/2 is there.
Yep.
1/4 is there. 3/8.
is there.
1 3/4.
But do you know how to put them there?
Yeah, because 1 3/4 is close to 2. Then that's
Alrighty.
equal 1 3/4. That would be 1 and 1/4. And then
So
1.
this is
Okay, guys.
2/8, 3/8,
Sorry.
4/8.
This is just for work.
You can make the denominators
Maybe I should fall
equivalent.
asleep. Okay. Alright, enough
Like
of
that.
that. Let's just keep lighting. Okay, now let's move this out of the way. Actually, after I
Okay.
do this.
So for this one, it says I have 2 wholes and 3/12 left over. What's my mix?
Okay, let's move that
2
over.
holes and 3/12.
And, ooh, it's like getting in my band-aid. It's weird, and it feels really
What's the
weird.
what?
Mixed number.
2 and 3/12.
Alright.
And then can you simplify 2 with 3/12?
Alright, so here's my slime.
Almost.
I really...
2
Alright.
and 3/4.
There. So this is
No,
my
1 and
slime.
3/4.
Yeah.
2 and 3/12. Can you simplify
It's
this?
pretty stretchy.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm just gonna...
No. 3 can go into this and to this. So it'll be 2 and 1. 3 can go into 3 once. And 3 can go into 12. How many
Okay.
times?
So here's my slime. Wow,
So
that
it's
just
2 and
broke.
1/4.
Surprised. Alright,
This is 1 and 2/3.
this is just stuff all over it, so I want to get it off.
So this is 1, 2, 3,
Yeah, it's 1
5,
and
6.
gonna need more.
right?
Yeah, 1 and 2/3.
Contact solution?
It's
Because...
1 and 2/3.
I know, but what goes here?
Okay, so here's my slime.
5 6.
5,
Pretty
6.
stretchy.
That's 5 6. 5 6 equals 1.
Alrighty. So now, and you could use food coloring with white clay. So now you're gonna get your diaper clay,
Isn't it 6/5, not 5/6?
No.
and I already used a little, but
Isn't it?
yeah.
There's 5
So
there.
take your diaper clay. And I'm not gonna use all of it. Just to start off, I'm gonna use a little
But
bit.
it should equal 6.
And you want to knead it
Why?
first because you don't want it to be
like, no, it's
5/3.
clumpy. So
That's
now I just added it.
That's 1 whole and then 2/3.
And then, ooh,
Because the
Right.
3
So
is
what would be
nice.
the improper fraction for this?
and it's actually red.
5/3.
Like it's an actual red.
Nice, buddy.
Okay. So now
You have good pizza there, Burton Catholic Michael.
You're dead.
Why? Why would
You're
you
not
not
going
want
to
to
give
go?
me do it.
All right, so here's my
Okay,
slime.
so
the
this
clay
one
in
would
it?
be 4
Yeah.
4.
So it doesn't really feel so buttery yet.
Wait, can I see
Yes.
the clay for a second? Oh, it feels so weird.
Good luck.
Right, yeah.
Alright, Alright,
So now I'm just
okay,
needing
okay,
this
okay.
part.
No, you're right. You're right. I'm sorry. Let me.
And I'm sorry this is over 10
I mean,
minutes.
I would like to
I
go.
understand.
Alright.
You want to go?
Wait, you're leaving right now?
Yeah.
Alright, whatever. But, okay.
Wait,
So
Dad,
here's what it looks
before
like.
you go,
And it's buttery now. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Nobody wants
Please click
sweets
like,
the last bite, especially-
subscribe.
You want it at all?
And
It's all right there.
comment down below done when you are done subscribing. And you already subscribed. Just like, yeah. And then I'll shout you out.
What do you say, buddy, before I leave?
Yeah. Bye.
Show us.